Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Speedy, and today I'm doing something a little different. Doing my first ever Java tutorial. I guess first programming tutorial because it's sort of how to program. Uh, Java is a great place to start. Probably like arguably the best language for best first language. So if you've never programmed before, this is the place to be. So um, I'm working in Eclipse. I'm not gonna tell you guys or show you guys how to download it because there's already heaps of how to download Eclipse tutorials online, and I will leave them in the link of the description, and I'll also leave the link of where to download Eclipse in the description too. Um, so yeah, basically this is for people who've never programmed before, people who already help out in Java, like tutor them, I guess you could say, and if they forget anything that I've already said, they can come back to this video and rewatch it and get advice, basically. And yeah, alright, well, I think that's all I was gonna say. Anyway, let's get started. Oh yeah, also I know there's like a million other Java tutorials online, but when I was learning, like I've only just sort of learnt everything, and like over the last 2, 3 years, like that's when I gained programming. But all the YouTube videos that I watched online was like hard to like. All I was doing was typing and watching, and I never really got the chance to apply the code myself. And I reckon that's their biggest downfall. So if you guys stick with me, the whole Java tutorial playlists, I guess you could say, you should be able to know how to apply and how to write your own codes. At the end of this, make your own game, make, I don't know, whatever you want to do with programming, I guess. But anyway, let's get straight into this tutorial. First of all, let's go. We're going to create a new project. A project is what you need to make code. As simple as that. That was a pretty bad description, but anyway, go into File, New Java Project, and then we're going to give it a project name. You can call it whatever you want, but for this tutorial, call it My First Project. And then I go Finish, and where is it? I got rid of the sidebar, and I don't know how to get it back. That's annoying, isn't it? Huh. Alright, give me one sec. I'm just gonna try to find it. Alright, what's up, guys? All I had to do was go Window, Short View, Package Explorer. But yeah, anyway, you'll probably see it anyway. So I'll go into my first project. Ignore these other ones. Alright, now we go right click on it, go New, and then go Class. And now we got to give it another name, and this is the class's name. So if you've never done programming before, I wouldn't worry about it too much. It's not too important at this moment, but later on we'll definitely come back and learn it. So give it a name of whatever you want. Um, Also, come here and tick this box right here, public static void main string args. And yep, okay, I did it. Yeah, so what that did was it made it our first class. So my first class, public class, my first class. You don't really need to worry about this at the moment. I know it's sort of like if you've never done programming, you're just looking at that and you're like, what the fuck is that? Public static void main is the main method. Um, yeah, you should probably worry about this. So, public static void main is every program has at least or has only one of these, a main method. Like yeah, pretty much every program has to have one of these, and this is sort of the entry point. So when the program starts and you have a million other methods or whatever, your program will instantly go looking for this method and read the code. what's inside here. If that doesn't make sense, that's all good. But just remember, all your code that you write for now will go in public static void main string args. Alright, so anyway, what we're going to do in this tutorial is print out hello world, and this is the only thing that you should need to remember. If you can't remember it, I'll write it down, because probably the most important part of this tutorial. So all we're doing is typing system dot out dot print line in brackets and then hello world. Now, as you can see here, you can probably already guess of what this is going to do, but basically what it's going to do, okay, I'll just run it actually. To run your program, just click this green run button, play button, I think it is, and that should work. And then right down here in the terminal, the console, it prints out hello world, which is pretty amazing, isn't it? Ooh. Alright, and so anything that goes inside this, what's this, quotes, yeah, quotes again, is what we'll print out in here. So basically all you need to remember is system.out.println, and then if you can remember that and maybe even the main method of how to write that, then you're definitely winning so far. So I can go yo, what's good world, and you guessed it, click this again, it prints out this. So yeah, so that's all you really need to remember for this tutorial. Maybe muck around with what goes inside here. I know it's pretty boring, but you don't have to, because yeah, I understand. When I was learning that, it was like, nah, I don't want to do that, I'm too cool for that. And I just skipped on to the next tutorial, and that's what you guys can do if you want. Public class, my first class, don't worry about this too much for now. You can probably research it online on Google if you want, but I wouldn't worry about it. Just these 2 lines of code, maybe the only thing that you need to worry about. You can try adding another system.out.println and seeing what that does. Also, you need a semicolon at the end of these, if you didn't know. But yeah, this is very basic stuff. Hope you guys hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah, and stay tuned for the next tutorial where we'll be doing a bit more funner stuff soon. But yeah, you gotta crawl before you can walk. Anyway, thanks for watching. See ya.